Hello everybody, my name is Amir Nouri and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to find how we can sketch on Shapr3D. Sketching in Shapr3D is very simple and similar to hand sketch on piece of paper. When you open Shapr3D app in your iPad, you can see that there is a plus sign. By tapping on that, you enter the workspace. At the first glance, I can notice that I have three arcs which they show three geometric directions. Also, I have a number of sketch tools on the left hand side of the screen. So, I tap and jump into Sketch. As you can see, here I have a number of sketching tools. By default, I'll jump into the Line Arc tool, which as name suggests, will draw a line or an arc. This is probably one of the most common sketching tools. I can simply just draw a line. By tapping on the bottom right corner, you can undo your sketch. As I mentioned, we have been kind of sketching here in a 3D view, but a lot of time we would like to use a 2D view to do most of our sketch. So, if I want to sketch on my front plane, I can jump to my specific plane. Now, instead of line, I would like to draw an arc or a circle. So, how you would hand sketch an arc or a circle? I will just use the circle motion with my hand to sketch out the circle as easily as you can see. You can notice that it will automatically change from a line to an arc. And if I close that arc all the way out, it becomes a circle. Moreover, if you tap on the line arc tool, you will notice that you have three different options as follows: automatic, line, and arc. By using automatic, you can either draw a line or an arc depending on your hand motion as we saw before. To get rid of circle, I could press undo, or I could tap on the circle to select and hit delete down the bottom. Use that hand motion of drawing an arc or circle, and this time just don't close it all the way. And now of course we have an arc. By tapping twice on my orientation view, we can jump to the 3D view. If we take a look at our orientation cube, there we can see our X, Y, and Z axes. So my right plane would be the ZY plane, and my front plane would be the XZ plane. By default, I notice that my grid is always on the top plane, and you can change it from here. Finally, maybe I will just start drawing a line somewhere about here. Finally, I want to close it out with an arc, so with my hand motion I draw a circle as you can see. Now, we have created some fairly simple sketch, very quickly. The key point is that as I'm going to be the 3D view, that the sketch is coming in a light blue color. That's useful because it tells us this is a close sketch and eventually we might be able to create a 3D object from this sketch. We're going to learn about them more later on.